Here I'm going to give you a demonstration of how you can use Google Maps. For instance, we'll do a search on Tower Bridge in London. And then click on Search Maps. And now we're given a choice of two locations. We'll go to the first of these, and now you'll be able to see the map brought up on Google Maps. We'll get rid of this little box here, and also this box here just shows you the general area of Tower Bridge, but we'll remove this because it's not so important at the moment. This gives you a general overview showing the streets with railway stations nearby, such as Tower Bridge, London Bridge Station, for instance, and Tower Hill Underground, and so on. Now that gives one perspective of the Tower Bridge location, which is just here, but if you want to see a better view, we can click on Satellite, and that'll actually give us an overhead view. And from this you can see London Bridge, Tower Bridge rather, here now, and the Tower of London, and London Bridge Railway Station, and so on. But you might actually want to prefer to see a hybrid, that is both seeing the street names and the overhead photograph. So we'll click on this and this brings up the photograph which not only shows the layout but also some of the street names of the major streets. Here you'll see HMS Belfast as well. Now not only this, if we want to zoom in, for instance, we just click on here, the zoom in sign, and that'll bring us up to a closer view, and now you can actually clearly see the shadow of Tower Bridge and the shadow of Town Hall and so on. Not only that, we can also move the view up. For instance, if we want to see a better view of the Tower of London, we just click here and that'll bring us up a bit more, and here further, and then we can even go a little bit eastwards so we can see the St Catherine's Wharf here and the developments there. So hopefully that's given you a better idea of how you too can use Google Maps. You just need to enter in the specific location you want. You can perhaps even use your own street where your house is, plus the postcode, and then search maps, and then you can choose how you view the map, whether just the street names or the overhead satellite photograph or the combination view, and you can zoom in or out, and you can move to the left or right, up or down, and I hope that's been of interest for you. I can let you know of further instructional videos like this. Simply click on the subscribe button which is on the right of the screen, which you can see.